And that's what happened to Voltaire, wasn't it? Or was it Voltaire?
Voltaire, the philosopher from France?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, man. Have you heard the story about him when he was dying? Have you all heard that?
Well, I'd say maybe our viewers haven't heard it because I wouldn't have heard it if we didn't read that book.
Yeah. Do you want me to tell them about it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Well, first we have to tell them who Voltaire is. Voltaire was a philosopher from France in the mid 1700s, roundabout, and he was a big critic of religion, especially the Christian religion and the Muslim religion. Both of those he always hammered on. And you know, the whole crowd was cheering and everything, eating it up, right? Well, he gets sick. Has a priest come over. Gets saved, gets better, right? Then he goes back to being who he was. Attacking the church, attacking Christ. Well, that went on for a while. And then he got old and sick, right? Well, he wanted to get saved, but all of his buddies kept the priest away from him. To where he couldn't be, because he didn't have a witness. You have to have a witness. And you know, I might get pushback on that, but that's my understanding, is you have to have a witness.
Well, especially with their faith.
Yeah, Catholicism.
Yeah.
But yeah, and then they said that his doctor said that his death was so horrible. He was begging and pleading so much that the doctor had to leave the room because he couldn't handle hearing it.
He was wailing, wasn't he?
Yeah. Wouldn't you?
Yeah, yeah. If I was not right with God, yeah, I would.
But that's my whole point, is not everybody gets to get old, you know? And
Yeah.
besides that fun, you can have fun doing other stuff that's not sinful. Look how much fun I'm having right now. Right, I'm hanging out with you guys on my ranch. I wouldn't have it any other way. I might be able to get all this off before it turns dark on us.
I don't know.
A little bit.
Yes. You might get to that board.
Big might, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Got to tap a little bit. As long as you can get in behind it, man, you're good to go. Ah, crap.
Can't get it.
No, I got it.
Oh, did you get it?
I'm just being tough. Okay. I'm going to try to take all this wire off and just let that drop.
Okay.
Tough because of where it's at.
It's in a bad spot, isn't it? Well, plus it is, what, 25 years old?
Yeah. This is probably one of the used posts Dad had from some other project
Yeah.
and used it. You better believe me, if Dad could use used stuff, he did.
Well, it's amazing that it lasted as long as it did.
Yeah, it really is. Sorry about the neighbors, guys. They literally do that all day long on them four-wheelers.
You work night shift, you won't get no sleep around here.
Think you'd have peace and quiet out in the country. And maybe you did before they invented four-wheelers. I wouldn't know. I was born in '85.
Yeah.
They've always been around. They've always been a nuisance.
Have they always ran up and down the road like that?
Yeah. Yeah, it's worse now because they legalized it.
Yeah, because they used to sneak and ride them, didn't they?
Mm-hmm.
Just imagine if you were trying to get to work and they made you late.
Oh, I'm sure they wouldn't care, or that would even make them happy. They'd get some kind of enjoyment out of knowing that they hurt somebody. I mean, that's the way the world is today. People aren't the same anymore, man.
Yeah, people used to want to see others prosper. Now it's like they get some kind of enjoyment if you fail.
I wonder why that is.
I don't know.
I'd like to hear your guys' opinion on that. Getting dark on us, boys.
Yeah, we're probably going to have to call it a day soon.
Well, I want to at least get this pole out.
I know.
It's getting hard to see. Alright, that one's loose. See, that one's still kind of sturdy a little bit. I did hurt my arm.
Yeah, I know you did.
Well, I'm telling people on the camera, it's why.
Oh, I can't believe you got it out.
It's still fairly solid.
Mm-hmm.
This one, my arm's tingling. So it's on the pile
Yep.
for right now. Well, what do you want to do now?
We probably should call it.
Want to call it quits for the day?
Yeah, we probably should.
Well, all right. It's been fun, guys. I can't wait to see you come back to Rendezvous Ranch. You're always welcome.